Hi, my name's Jacky. A few years ago, I stepped into the world of steel structured buildings, not as a job, but something I truly found meaning in.
But over time, I began to understand what a steel building really represents. It's not just a steel, bolts, and panels. It's a factory where new ideas are born. It's a warehouse where products begin their journey to the world. Over time, I worked with clients from the United States, Canada, Africa, and South America. Every design, every drawing, every shipment carried trust, and that trust pushed me to grow. Today, I help companies design and supply prefabricated steel warehouses, workshops, and industrial buildings from concept to shipment. What excites me most is seeing completed projects or receiving a simple message from a client. Thank you, everything is going well. That's when I know the effort was worth it.
If you are planning a project or looking for someone who truly cares about results, I'm here. Let's build something great together. I'm Jacky. Nice to meet you.